The TASCAM DR05 is a versatile and easy to use audio recorder. It is loaded with features and comes with its own condenser mics on the top for left and right, and can record in waveform, stereo or mono. In conjunction with the Sony Omnidirectional lapel mic, it can deliver some quality audio. As a matter of fact, what you're listening to right now has been recorded on the DR5 along with the Sony Omnidirectional mic. You can find the TASCAM DR05 at a reasonable price either on eBay or on Amazon. I have used this for many different situations, including interviews, and it always delivers a high quality WAV file which I then can edit on my audio editor. But it also can record stereo, and it will just give you plain good audio just on different recordings. Now we can take a closer look, and in order for you to get the best quality out of it, there are a few functions in there that you will need to use. Now it is loaded with different features, and you can change the frequencies of the inputs that you have coming in, including control over your external mic, control over your headphones, and I like to use the Sony headphones in conjunction in order to monitor my audio. Now if you go into the menu, we can take a closer look and see what it's all about. Now it does use micro SD cards as a means to record and archive your audio, which you can then take from there and do some further editing. When you purchase the TASCAM DR5, it comes with an SD card, a mini SD card, which you will be recording your audio tracks to. It's a 4 gig card, but you can expand it and you can get a different SD card up to 32 gigs or even 64 gigs depending on your needs. Now if you're constantly doing interviews or you're doing vlogs where you're speaking, this is the best product for you to use. Now let's have a closer look and see what it's all about. This is an audio test for the Sony Omnidirectional condenser microphone. 1, 2, 3. This is an audio test for the left and right condenser microphones on the TASCAM DR5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the TASCAM DR5. Now here we go. On the side, this is your hold button. So if you wanted to put a recording on hold so that it stays recording, you would just simply turn that up. This is your line out. So here you would connect your headphones, and if you want to monitor what you're hearing, you'll connect your headphones right in there. Here are your condenser mics on the top, left and right, which you just saw an audio example of. On the side, this is your USB connection. This is your SD card slot. So when you purchase the DR5, it comes with an SD card, or you can add your own. So here's the SD card. Okay, and it goes right in there, and this is where all your recordings are going to be stored on your SD card. Now once you have it inside, you're gonna turn it out. By the way, it takes AA batteries. So here's the compartment for the batteries. It's 2 AA batteries. It'll last you a long time. So let's have a look at the top. Now on the top, this is where you connect your external microphone. So if you do not want to use these two, you can just connect your external microphone on the top, just like that. Now for the example I showed on the video, it will be the Sony Omnidirectional microphone, and that's the one you saw me using. So in conjunction with the microphone, if you want to hear your level, you will connect your headphones just like that, which is what you saw exactly pictured in the previous section of this video. Now once you have it all together, you have the batteries to get your SD card going, you want to turn it on. So to turn it on, you simply hold down the home button. You're gonna hold it for a few seconds, and it's gonna come on. So that's your startup screen right there. Now once you're ready to record, you want to hit the record button once. Okay, so once you see that it's on once, it's going to be blinking. This is the standby mode. So when you're ready to record, you're going to hit it one more time. So when you want to record, you hit it one more time, and you're going to see that now it's solid red and it's going. So it's actually recording right now. And then the screen actually shuts off by its own, but you'll still be able to see it. And once you're done recording, you just simply hit stop, and you'll be done recording. Now here's just some quick menu options, and you can do so. Well, we just recorded, we can just go back and we just delete that last one that we just did. It's going to ask you, do you really want to delete the file? We're just going to say yes. Okay. And those are the basics. There are some other menu options here that I could show you. So these are your recording settings. So in here, you can change up what type of bitrate you want your WAV file to be at, the sample rate, whether you want to record in stereo or you can record in mono. This will be completely up to you. It tells you the size of the gig card. It tells you the mic power is on, or if you're going to be using external power. This is low cut. That means that it'll help you reduce the bass frequency. Pre-record set to off, auto tone in seconds, tone volume, auto record off, and the level is at 6 dB. So those are some quick settings. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to help you out with any of your questions. So thanks again for checking this out. If you found this useful, or if you want to go back and see the beginning of the video for some more details, and also to hear the sample of what this sounds like through the recording, and even the sample how these two microphones sound, please leave me a comment and share it if you think it's useful to somebody. Alright, thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.